this is our new Scintilla, sorry, UI inspector. And the good thing about it, uh, I have the suggestion now. So if I if I if I want to have some element in here, so if I click here, you can see it gave me call tips, and with those call tips, I know, and then if I do in element and
So
do a
were the
dot,
parameters matching on the which parameter you were on? It looked like they were highlighting which one you were on. Is that right?
yes,
Cool.
and then you can see that find all is telling me,
Yeah.
so it is suggesting me what function I can use here. So these are from the library. These are not AutoHotkey ones. So for AutoHotkey, it will suggest when activate, but you can see that when I use a class, it suggests me from there,
Cool.
and I can do find all, find first, or find
And
first from null.
remember in VS Code, and I forget the name of it. It's like JSON something where you add the parameters and it gives you the options. Can we do that as well?
Yeah, we are doing JSON docs. So
Ah,
these are the parameters. So the first is the condition here. So it is telling me
yeah.
find every descendant match condition within the scope. So it is a parameter one condition. And as soon as I go to the second parameter, it says it is the second parameter called match mode. Find. Okay,
And
so this is definition of our method find all. And here we can put our definition for the parameters, what kind of parameter is needed.
do we have control over the colors of any of that?
Yes, we do.
Good. Just
So we can change the colors.
yeah, we'll work on that. But anyway, that's great because that levels it up quite a bit.
Mhm.
The download still has a notify in it.
Yeah, I fixed the path in the
Oh,
doc.
okay. I didn't fire it up. I just looked at the code.
Mhm.
Okay.
But
Okay.
this version don't have notified class in there.
But the one you're looking at isn't what Connie has. Is that correct?
Yes. So
Yeah.
this is using the new Scintilla,
Yeah.
and it is under development. I have to fix the color of the call tips and the list that I have suggestion lists. So whenever I tab, I have suggestions.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, when I assume a lot of people here, like in Excel, you've used like the macro recorder and then gone in and used the development tools for VBA and the assist that it has. It was always so helpful, right? Because there's so many things in that Excel library. But that capability is really helpful when you don't know what you're looking for. Man, it's big, big help. And is it also it'll be faster too, right, Irfan, because it's built in.
Yes, because we are writing the custom Lexer, and we are using Lexer 5. There's a terminology because of the Lexer 5 and the other stuff in there involved. I haven't researched them, but this seems to be faster than the previous one. I think I don't feel the speed boost, but most of the heavy working is done by the custom Lexer now, which is in C, and AutoHotkey has less load now.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that um are they still using Lua for any of that, or is that something?
No, it is AutoHotkey and the DLL files.
Yeah, okay, cool. All right. Here I got a couple fun ones. Let me bring up ASM. I'll share my screen here in a second. These are just a couple